Okay, so I'm making this video to say that I'm putting the normal keycaps back in, because the gaming keycaps kind of like, I don't like them that much. They have this texture on them that kind of, grinds away at your skin. So the texture is maybe too rough, and when you're typing, that's also a distraction. So I actually prefer the normal keys. I kind of wish I didn't take these out, because now they're probably going to be a little bit looser, you know. And I don't think it's good that I'm, pulling on the shit like this. I feel like I'm damaging the keyboard by doing this to some degree. Okay, so yeah, I like the normal keycaps. They're fine, but I mean, it's a cool idea to have gamer keys. I just think they're too textured, maybe. They're too distracting when you type. And well, at least they were in there pretty good still. So hopefully I didn't damage it too much. Yeah, now I have a normal keyboard again. So, kind of a cool idea. I don't think it's worth it. Anyways, that's it.